I am Len and I'm from South London. Painting and decorating, level 1. I wanted to learn to wallpaper and line, done a bit of painting already, decided to become a painter, handy person last year and really wanted to get into decorating professionally. So chose to come here because of the opportunity to do a lot of wallpapering. Yes. So before this, I worked as a research assistant in academia. So big change, but I grew up being really creative, arty, always helping my dad out with fixing things. He made guitars, so it's almost like I finally came to the right career for me. Keep working. So I built up a really nice little kind of network of customers locally, and now I will be able to continue getting practice on the job, offering to wallpaper. I've actually been volunteering with some of my neighbours to get in more practice. But yeah, just looking forward to working for myself, when I can, and being creative and not being sat at a desk anymore. Google, to begin with. I was looking for colleges that were near me that I could commute to by train, and I found Able Skills, a few other tradespeople I know who'd actually trained here as well, and saw that they had really good reviews, so I popped down to visit before booking on the course, and then, yeah, loved the look of the place, I booked on. It's been really good. It's been tough. I've been getting up at 6 every morning, but it's been a lot and pushed me, but in a good way. It was quite scary coming back to college, in your 30s, but I'm glad that I did, and it's been a really nice mixture of people here as well. I was worried I'd be a lot older than other people. Yeah, no, it's been really good. Mark's been brilliant and has had to put up with a million questions from me in the last 5 weeks. So I'm sure he'll be grateful for a break next week when I'm gone. But no, he's been really good and helped to push me, and because I'm a perfectionist, so he's been really good to actually push me and allow me to really focus on and develop my wallpapering, and do bits actually outside of the level 1. So I've been doing more advanced stuff, and it's been brilliant. Yes, definitely. I had never hung wallpaper or lining paper until I got here, and now I feel confident doing both, and I'm even tackling going around windows and reveals, and it's great. I am. I am going to keep practicing wallpapering, and then I'd say in about a year I want to come back and do the advanced wallpapering course to keep honing my skills, because I do want to get really good at that and decorative effects.